Syed Kasran is a small village located near the town of Chakwal, north of the famous salt range in Pakistan. Struck by poverty, illiteracy, and poor hygiene surroundings, people in these remote villages, especially women and children, are particularly at risk. Many even die of preventable diseases related to pregnancy and unsanitary living conditions. With no quality medical facility for over 500 surroundings villages, Imamia Medics International, in collaboration with Aziz Imdad Memorial Trust, is helping build the first ever state-of-the-art hospital in the entire region. The groundbreaking ceremony of this life-changing project was held on 30 December 2019. Honorable Punjab Minister of Health Dr. Yasmin Rashid inaugurated the event. Alongside the ceremony, IMI doctors from the United States and many other countries arranged a free medical camp for the villagers. Construction of this much-needed project started in October 2021 and is currently in full swing. A small makeshift OPD clinic is already functional on site that seats 30 to 40 patients on a regular basis free of cost. With the construction of Al-Zehra Medical Complex for the first time, villagers in the entire region will have access to life-saving medical treatment. But we can't do this alone. Your little support can give a gift of life for generations to come.